our creator created us with different genetic makeup, and nobody is going to be similar like other. So nature is demanding from us that we should behave differently from others, because our genetic makeup doesn't match with anybody. So we should be unique, we should be discreet, and we should be different from others, because imitation is suicide. If somebody is going to imitate the other, he is going to commit suicide of his capabilities, of his potentials, and of his diversity. So we should be impartial observer. We should observe the realities of life from our own angle. The creator has bestowed us with five senses, and that is air, eye, touch, smell. So we should rely upon these to judge the realities and to come near the truth. So the basic problem with this universe, we are worshipping somebody, or we are totally anti and antagonist to that personality. We should be just impartial observer, and we should take positive point, and if somebody is going to differ from us, we should not criticize or satirize, but we should tolerate him, because angle of everybody is different from the other. Everybody has his unique approach. So we should be just impartial observer, and take those realities which are observed by our five senses, and we should not depend upon any other source. And especially in our society, hearsay things are communicated from generation to generation, and nobody is going to question these. We should judge everything from our own angle, and especially we should tolerate the others, because everybody is different from other and he has different angle. So we should tolerate the other, and in this way, this world would become a haven, and uh, all prejudices and all biasness would disappear, and in this way, the differences would be removed, because we are going to accept and acknowledge the design of our creator. So in this way, this world would become a heaven, a such place where everybody would be unique, and this world would progress, and this world would go ahead. Thanks very much.